All right, this is a request for Chris. Thanks for the tip, Chris. This is going to be Oh Well by Peter Green, Fleetwood Mac. So we're going to have a capo on the 2nd fret to put you in the same key as the recording. We're going to have this little riff here. Okay, so we have a little kind of a E power chord there. We're going to start out with this 0-3-0. So it's kind of like the E minor pentatonic scale in this case. So we have 0-3-0 on the big string, and then open to 2 on the 3rd string, down to the 1st fret of the 2nd string. So that's our first little maneuver there. Now we're going to go hammer on, pull off, open to open on the G, 3 to open, pull off on the D string there, and then on the little power chord there, open and 2 on the 2 big ones. Da-dum-dum. So. Okay, so real slow. Second one goes. So it has the same beginning. 0-2-2, and then 0-2 to 3 on the 2nd string. And then the ba-dum-bum. So the first 2 together are. Third one, same as the first. Fourth one. So that one went 0-2-1-3-1 down here. Pull off there, 3, and then 2 to the 2 little power chords there at the end. So. And all of this is in the tab if that helps out. So I'll do the whole intro here. We got. Okay, then we get into a new riff that's like. Okay, so that's like your 5th fret, considering the capo. We got 5 to 7. So 5, 7, hammer on. A couple more of those, kind of giving it a little vibrato. And then do one more 7 and go down to this 6 and 5 down here. So it's. Got that little chord on the bottom too. So that goes 3 times, and then the 4th time you go. So da-dum, bum, bum, ba-bum. And then we're into the next thing. And this is going to go 4 times. So it's 5, 7, 6 down here to the 7, and then another 5, 7. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Okay, now we're going to add to that riff. So it's 5, 7, 6, 7, and then 8 on the 2nd string, back to the 7 on the 3rd, and then 9 on the 2nd string, back to that 7 on the 3rd. So it's. And then we have this new riff. So we have 3 to 5 on the big one, 6 to 7 after that. Kind of quick on this 5, 6, 7 on the next string. So. So you see how we kind of got that ba ba da dum da dum bum ba da 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 ba da 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 dum. So it's 3, 5, 6, 7, and right into this 5, 6, 7 on the next one. Now 6 to 8, the 8 slides to 10, 8, 10 on the bottom here. And of course, these frets, that's really the 12, but we're considering everything starting on the 2 being like a 0 fret. So 3, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 6, 8, 10, 8, 10. Okay, so it's a bit of a tricky one. Okay, then we have some vocals, and then we're going to come in with the original riff, our first riff, and then we get back into the just 2 times though. Now the added riff. Now our riff is going to change a little bit. So we're going to have, this is really the 12, but we're going to call it the 10. So it's 10, 12, 10, 12, 13, 10, 13, 10. And the second one in the tune here, they kind of mix it up and go kind of different directions and stuff. But this kind of works for that, and for the ending it works pretty well. So okay, then they get into a groove, which is just, you can kind of just play this E5 chord, E power chord. Kind of has a groove like that. Dum da da dum dum da dum. Down down up down up up down. There's a lot of electric guitar type stuff going on, but this will get you through it. So you do like 8 of those. Kind of hit one to stop on that 9th time. Then we got more vocals. We got our original A riff again. And then we have that thing again. So that's what I'm calling parts C and D. So once again, that was da dum dum dum, da dum dum dum, da dum 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 da dum, and then we have our 4 times. Then the added riff. Then we got that riff up here. And that's the end of the song. Okay, so some of this, they're kind of varying a bit, and I'm keeping it a little bit simple, but that'll make it a little bit easier to play. So let's go through everything again. We got... And then we had... and added riff. Okay, so just take your time with these, learn them nice and slow, and then we get back to we got vocals, and then we got, so we do the whole A section again, then we do the B section twice. And then the added. Had that riff up here, 10, 12, 10, 12, 13, 10, 13, 10. And then our groove is like. Ends with so like 8 of those. And you got more part A, we got part C again. And then 4 of them this time. Added riff. All right, Oh Well by Fleetwood Mac, written by Peter Green. Great tune. Thanks for the request, Chris, and thanks for the tip. So this was a request by Chris, and he tipped me for a video previous to this. So if you guys can tip and help support the channel, can help me get to a video view right away. Now, the next things I have coming up is going to be a series of beginner lessons. I know a lot of these things I do are kind of too complicated for some people. So I'm going to break it down, have about 5 lessons in a row. Might do like something in the middle there, like Melissa by the Allman Brothers or something. But that's my plan for the week, is to get in some beginner lessons, go over a lot of the basics, and do some stuff that's a little bit easier for some of you who aren't quite as advanced as some of the others. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. Tab with this. Talk to y'all soon.